So Berg Fashion Library is the comprehensive site covering all aspects of dress and fashion from prehistory to the present day internationally. So what is included in this site? This site includes 10 volumes print version, the Berg Encyclopedia of World Dress and Fashion. And then also it contains over 70 titles of ebooks. We will have a look at the title list on the site later. Besides 70 titles, we also have 2 reference resources. One is the Berg Companion to Fashion, and another one is a Dictionary of Fashion History. We also updated classic and modern writings articles on fashion. There are 67 articles. We updated this last year on this site. You can find out the articles written by the key founders of fashion and dress. Besides these articles, we also have images and museum partnerships. So there is an image bank on this platform. Let's have a look at the images and museum partnerships. So there are over 7,000 images now at present. But in 2016, we will have another collection. You can find at the bottom of the slides. There is a fashion photographer, Niall McNulty's image archive. So there will be 600,000 images uploaded on this platform. And at present, there are 2,000 images which came from the 10 volumes print version Encyclopedia of World Dress and Fashion from the book. And we have partnership with these museums like Victoria and Albert Museum, Montmill Fashion Museum, Belgium, and also like the London College and Fashion. And now let's go to the homepage. So we can browse this by title from the A to Z. It starts with the B, so it's Berg Fashion, this one. Berg Fashion Library. It is by Berg Publishers. So this is the homepage of Berg Fashion Library. So at first, I'd like to show you how to find out what's inside, what's in this site. So you can find out in the middle of the page, there is a gray bar here. If you click About, then you can find out what's in the Berg Fashion Library. On the left-hand side, there are the information I just talked about in the slides. Like what's in the Berg Fashion Library. There is classic and modern writings on fashion and Berg Encyclopedia of World Dress and Fashion. So if you want to see more things about these parts, you can have a look at these ones. So we can have a look at the list of ebooks. We can click ebooks, and then it will show you the over 70 title list here. So we have title lists like China fashion, Chinese fashion, and also like DIY style, and fashion in London. So if you are interested in these book titles, you can have a look at these book titles. And also, you can have a look at the article list from the classic and modern writings on fashion. There will be the 67 classics in the Berg Fashion Library, and there will be the article list here. These articles can also be searched across from the search box at the top right here. Okay, we'll go back to the homepage of Berg Fashion Library. Now, this is from the homepage. You can find out there are several options for you to access the content we just talked about. In the middle of the page, there is a cassette, which you can find out discover the new content, the new update of this site. And also there are like some featured content, like wartime fashion. And also like some designers. This featured content will be updated monthly. And above this cassette, there is a quick search box here. So you can just enter the search terms into here. and to click Go to do the search. And beside that, there is an image only. So you can click here to limit your search within the image bank in this site. And also we have advanced search link here. Beneath this part, there is one is explore by time and also explore by place. These two browse functionalities can help you to browse content chronically and by regions, browse content which within the encyclopedia, the content. So let's have a look at browse by explore by place. We can have a look at the content, which is in a specific region. So it will show you the whole world map here, which is in black. And if you hover over some part of the region, for example, if we hover up the Asia part, then it will show a short description and the summary information on the right side. It can help you to understand what part about this. We can click Asia. And then it will show you the information and articles from Berg Encyclopedia World Dress and Fashion in Asia part. And on the right-hand side, there will some information from ebooks and also some references works we just show you, and also the images related to this part. Let's have a look at one encyclopedia article, which Aboriginal dress in Taiwan. So this is an article from Encyclopedia. So on the top of this article, you can find out the link, which part it is from. It is from the Encyclopedia, Volume 6, East Asia, and Part 3, China. And you can find out the title of this chapter, and also the author's name, and the article DOI. This article DOI can help you to access to the content permanently in a later time. It will not change forever. And on the left-hand side, there is the table of content. This is not only about the, this is not only about the substructure of this article. It is also show you the agent articles in these same volumes here. So you can also find out like overview of Tibet and national minorities in Xinjiang province. So this is the agent articles in the same volume. And when you scroll down, you can find out the substructure of this article here. It can help you to browse other parts of this article quickly. When I scroll down the screen now, you can find out there are some images in this article. You can just click the image and it will show you another window. You can just simply to save into a computer. So it's very easy to use. And also, at the bottom, at the end of each article, there will be references and further reading. If there are students or teachers, they want more information about this subject or topic, they can find out more information from here. Okay, we can also find out there is some option item for you to use this site. If you want to export the citation of this article, you can click the left item. You can select different format you want, like MLA, APA Chicago, and it will have a preview citation here. So you can simply to copy and paste in Word document. And if you use any citation managers like EndNote or RefWorks, you can select the format and to export this format documents. And also you can share this information via social media, like Facebook and Twitter, and also like Sina Weibo. And also you can email to colleagues or friends. Also you can print out these article. It can import a very appropriate printable version for you to print out. Besides these functionalities, you can also change the look of this site. You can change the text size, make the text much larger or smaller. You can also change the contrast of this page. There is one functionality which is my favorite of this site, is that when you read this article, like there is like, let me find one word. Like Philippines. So if there is something you don't know or you are interested in, you want to learn more, you can just highlight this phrase, and you can use the bar here, the gray bar here. There is a highlight and find. It can help you to find this term in this site. So when I highlight the Philippines and click highlight and find, it will show you, it will help you to run the search automatically. So there will be 86 items for Philippines here. So this is a result list page. You can find out on the right-hand side, this is the results list here. And also you can find out the results also include images here. And also on the left-hand side, there will be a search box here, which can help you to search within results, within these 86 items here, and also the 17 images here. You can change the results order by relevance, or by title, and or by source. And also you can change the items amount per page here. And each result, you can find out that which source it is from. Like the first one, it is from the source Berg Encyclopedia of World Dress and Fashion. When I scroll down, you can find out other sources like this one. This one is from a journal, but we just talk about a journal. This is just a link to journal. So the library has the subscription to this journal. You can click this one, and we can have a look at the journal article. It only shows the abstract of this journal article. If you want to find out the full text of this journal article, you have to click the DILWL to find out if the library has the subscription to this journal article. Okay, so this is, you have to pay $32 to access to the full text of this journal article. This is from the Textile, the Journal of Cloth and Culture, this journal title. We have links to 4 journal titles on this site. They are all from the publisher Bloomsbury Journals. Okay. Now we are on the page of this journal article abstract. If we want to go back to the search page, you can use the IE Explorer backwards button, but also you can use this one, this gray button here. You can find out there is a My Content, which the full text you just viewed, and also the search you just did. So Philippines is the search we just ran, so we can click here, and it will go back to the page we just browsed. Besides journal articles, we also have ebooks. Let's have a look at the ebook version. This is from the ebook, Old Clothes, New Looks. So this is from an ebook. We can click this title and have a look at this one. So this is a part from an ebook. You can find out on the left-hand side, there is also the table of content of this ebook, which is different from the encyclopedia page. And also you can find out there is a related images to this part, and also the related content from other ebooks and encyclopedia part content. The same item is the title, article title, and author information and the DOI of this article. Now let's have a look at the lesson plans and the bibliography guides. You can browse these information from the gray bar here. You can click lesson plans to have a look at the near over 7 lesson plans here. So it can help teaching and lecturers to plan their lessons. There are diversifications in fashion markets and the study of dress and fashion. We can have a look at the study of dress and fashion. You can click Take Me to the lesson plan. So in a lesson plan, there will be introduction of this unit. And there will be outline here for each week. And also for each week, there will be reading list and also discussion questions with homework. And all the further reading materials are from this site, from Berg Fashion Library. So you can recommend this to students or learn it by yourselves. And also we recommend some films, magazines, and journals here. So these are additional materials from external site. And bibliography guides, you can click here to have a look at this one. At present, there are 4 bibliography guides which are focused on the topics here. So this provides some key readings and schools of thought within a particular disciplinary perspective. We can have a look at the fashion, dress, and gender. So there will be a list of reading list topics here, which related to fashion, dress, and gender. And there will be some key readings and schools of informations here. When you click these references, it will direct to the link here. So you can have a look at these informations here. Okay. Now let's have a look at the image search. If you want to do image search, you just type the search term here. If I type in shoes and click images only, it can help you to search all the images which is included. Shoe here. So on the left-hand side, this is also the same. Actually, it is the same results list with the article search. So on the right-hand side, there is the results list, and on the left-hand side, which is the taxonomy organization, can help you to refine the search and filter the information. So these the shoes are from the image bank on this site, which is in the print version of Berg Encyclopedia, and also from the museum partnership. I can do a taxonomy search here. So I click the arrow here and it will show the link. I want to find out if there is any shoes which is designed by Christian Louboutin. So I click people and organizations. It will show you there is named individuals and organizations and groups of people. Okay. So click named individual and organizations. If you want to open up this category, you have to click the arrows here. So then it will expand these categories here. It will show the alphabetic letters alphabetically here. So I want to find out the designer Christian Louboutin, so I click C. They will show you the designer's name starts with C here. So I click here. It will help you the shoe which designed by Christian. So this is a pair of platform shoes. You can click this image to have the full information page. On the left-hand side, you can find out the information which collection this image is from. It is from the Victoria and Albert Museum, and also the artist maker name here, and also the date design date 1995, and in France. You can find out the dimensions like height, length, and width. When you scroll down, there will be information and description here about this shoe design. We also provide the object web page from the museum website link. You can click here. It can help you to turn to the page from Victoria and Albert Museum. So this is the external site. And these informations are also, you can find out on the Berg Fashion Library. Okay, we can also find out how to do another search. For example, if you want to find out if there is any information on design or designer in Hong Kong, we can type in the search term in the quick search bar here. I will use the quotation mark to do an exact search. So it can help you to search Hong Kong as a phrase. As I want to search like designer or design information in Hong Kong, so I can use the Boolean operator and in capital. And I type design. As I also want to find out if there is any information about Hong Kong designers. So you can find out the same thing between design and designer is that they have the same letter spell So we can use the asterisk to represent designer, the letter ER, or designers, ERS. And asterisk can represent any number of letters in a word. So this is how to do a search. We can find out if there is any article on Hong Kong design or designers. The search areas is around the full text of the articles. So we find out there are 175 articles. There will be journal article and e-books. We can have a look at the second-hand fashion, culture, and identity in Hong Kong. So the search term will be highlighted in green here. So you'll find out there is say that the fashion designers are doing 80s. So you can find out there are, return the results with Hong Kong and designers from the full text here. And also, in this paragraph, there is fashion design students. So design, designers, these kind of terms will return into the results here. And also they were designed. Browse. It also shows you like the results page, list page. There will be a taxonomy to help you to limit your research area. So you can find out, if you want to find out there is a textiles and the materials, you can click this one. And you can limit your research into like colors, decorations, and also textiles. We can click textiles, and you can open up the subcategories here of the fibers, maybe like plant fibers, bamboo or banana, coconut. So this is a way help you to limit your search area from the browse functionality. And if you want to have a look at the e-books, so you can have an e-books list. You can click each book title from here. It will show you the page of this book level. It will show you the book cover as the same as the print book, and also the publication date, and the book DILWL information, and also the abstract of this book. So if you want to browse the ebook like this, so you can click the about and then move to each book information and to find out the abstract of each book and also the table of content of this book. So this is another way for you to read these ebooks from this site. Like the designing national style, the Tangzhuang phenomenon. You can find out the author's name here, and also the chapter level DILWL link.